Hello, my name is Stijn de Mil. I'm the CEO and founder of FabLab Factory. My background is in electronic engineering, and all my life I have been a teacher or a lecturer. In 2011, I started FabLab Brussels at the Erasmus University College in Brussels. And in 2014, I started a FabLab, the first FabLab in a school in Erpenmeren. In both cases, we saw immediately the immense opportunities of offering the very rich learning context of a FabLab when it comes to acquiring STEAM skills. And so I decided in 2015 to start my own company, FabLab Factory, first in reselling all kinds of tools for digital fabrication, offering workshops and trainings. Now in 2019, we actually started with the development of our own digital learning platform with the name Learn, Make and Share. And so we are now in the process of pivoting from a classic business towards an educational software company. Thank you very much.